In this exercise, we have to create the following model, this one, with a thickness of 10 millimeters. Here we have a sketch. So let's look at this sketch here. The best way to create this sketch is to start here and to put an origin here. So you can go with this line here, 180 millimeters, and you can go with this line vertical, 25 millimeters. And then here you can create this line, or 155 degrees. And here we have a circle and center point arc. And the center of this circle and center point arc, this one here, is collinear with this line here. And we don't have to define the distance between the center of this circle here and this line here, because here we have this line with an angle, and where this line will meet the center point arc, this will be the distance from this line here. And here we have the radius of 10 millimeters. So let's go to our SOLIDWORKS. Let's choose front plane. Let's create a sketch. So let's start with a line. Let's create a line here. So here we have 25 millimeters. Then we have this line here, like this. Then here we have a next line. We have line from the origin here. Then we have a vertical line. And then we have horizontal line, something like this. Now let's go here to the circle. Let's create a circle here, like this. Now let's make this point, hold Ctrl and this point here, let's make it vertical. Let's click OK. And let's make the center of the circle and this point here, let's make it horizontal. Let's click OK. Now if we move our circle, we can see that this vertical line on the right side is changing. Now let's go here to the center point arc, like this. Let's create a center point arc. From this point, let's go here, like this. Now let's make this point here the center, and this point here, let's make this horizontal. Let's click OK. Now let's click on this point here. Let's move this point to this point here. And this relation here is coincident. Now let's go to Smart Dimensions. Let's define the angle here, like this. Let's go with 145 degrees. Here we have 180 millimeters, and here we have 25 millimeters, like this. And then here we have the diameter of 40 millimeters, like this. And here we have a radius of 60 millimeters, like this. And now we can see that our sketch is fully defined. Now only we have to add a fillet here. So let's go to the fillet. We have 10 millimeters radius. Let's click on this point here. Let's click OK. And now let's go to Features, Extruded Boss base. We have 10 millimeters, and let's click OK. And this is model that we're looking for.